everyone and welcome back to my channel. So long story short, me and my boyfriend are moving into a house next year. About February time, we're just going to be renting. We have decided that we want to rent, you know, just to start off to see what it's like living together. And yeah, we've picked up a few homeware bits. I'm getting a bit excited now. So we've got a few homeware bits to show you. I've got things from Ikea, B&M and Tkmaxx. So this is going to be a part 1 of a homeware haul. So there'll be like part 2, part 3 and so on, however much more we do shopping. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy it. I will just begin. There's not loads, there's just a few little bits and they are like house essentials, so that it's not going to be like exciting things yet like plants or candles or anything like that. It's just the like necessities, kitchenware, cutlery. Some of it is like decorative pieces, but you'll just see as I go along. So if you do find it interesting, then I hope you enjoy. If you don't, then just obviously skip these homeware hauls, and yeah, I'll get straight into it. Yeah, so the first place that we went to was Tkmaxx. Now Tkmaxx to me is just heavenly to shop for homeware clothes. Even the clothing section is amazing, but when I think of homeware and like decorative pieces and just little bits that you didn't think you needed that you do, yeah, just for pieces like that, I think Tkmaxx is absolutely brilliant. The first thing that we picked up from Tkmaxx is this chopping board. Now I just thought that the wood on this was so nice. It's like a shiny wood, and I just loved the way that the wood, it's hard to explain, but I loved how the wood looked, like how it went up and then these bits were like went sideways, and I just think it looks really nice. Our kitchen worktops are actually very similar to this, so that's why I did like it as well. It's got like a little love heart here, so if you're obviously serving something, you've got somewhere to carry it. And the back's just the same. It's by a brand called Handcrafted in Thailand. Oh, that's all it says. Handcrafted in Thailand. And this was £8, so £7.99. And I just thought it was really nice for a chopping board. It looks sturdy, and yeah, that was £8. Okay, so the next thing is probably one of my favourite things we picked up from Tkmaxx, and it's a throw. So this was on the bit where they are all hung up in Tkmaxx, and I just felt it and fell in love. It is so soft. It goes perfect with my room now, but I'm definitely not going to use it. I want to save it till we move in. But yeah, it's so soft. It's really big. Like, it opens up really wide. It's got like a kind of velour bit inside, and then the outside is just the most softest fabric you could think of. Obviously it's not real fur, and it's huge. It is absolutely massive, and I just love it to bits. This is going to go in the living room. Might get like a basket to put it in. If I don't get a basket, I'll just put it on the back of the sofa. So it's from a brand called Knaire Home, and it's quite expensive, but it's definitely worth it because it's huge and the material is just a really good quality, and it was £40. But yeah, it's just definitely worth it, and we've got it well in advance, so I know that that's the throw out the way now. We don't have to think about it, but we both loved it, otherwise we wouldn't have paid that price for it, and the quality is just absolutely amazing. So yes, very happy with that one. We got a wooden spoon, another very exciting purchase, but yeah, we got a wooden spoon. I basically got it because it went with the chopping board, because I don't want loads of mix match things. I want things to kind of match as much as they can. So it was only £3, and yeah, it's just a simple wooden spoon from a brand called Olivati, pure olive wood, handmade in Tunisia. But yeah, I just thought it was a decent wooden spoon, and it's not too long. Some of them you find that they're really long and you can't even fit them in your drawers. So yeah, I'm happy with that one. So the final thing we got from Tkmaxx is a can opener. It's actually a bottle opener as well, so it's like 2 in 1, which is really good. We wanted to get a very good quality one, because if you get them flimsy cheap ones, then you just keep buying them and it ends up being the same price anyway. But again, it was only £5, so it's not like we were spending much on it anyway. And it's from the brand Sabatier, I think you pronounce it. Sabatier, I think it is. But yeah, it just looks like quite sturdy. Our kitchen's like cream, and then I'm going to go for like silver, cream and white like utensils, and obviously wood. So I think that'll just be perfect. Okay, so that was everything from Tkmaxx. From B&M, I've just picked up one thing, which is a bath mat. I really wanted a dark memory foam bath mat, just because obviously it's going to get wet a lot, and I don't know, I always like the feel of memory foam. It's just really comfortable on your feet, so this will be perfect. And the back's obviously just got the grip, the grippy bit on. But yeah, I really like that, and it's memory foam, soft on your feet, and that is all I want. It was only £6.99 from B&M. And they did it in a light grey as well, and I think they did it in like maybe baby pink or cream or something. But this is definitely the colours that we're going for, like greys, silvers, whites, creams. And it says super soft to cushion feet, anti-slip backing, machine washable, which is a plus. And it's a 50 by 80 centimetre. So that's a bargain if you're looking for a bath mat. Okay, and the last things are from Ikea. So I'll get the biggest ones out the way. For our sofa, obviously we want some cushions on there. I want some plain cushions, but I also wanted 2 that have got like a design on or something, just to kind of mix it up on the sofa. So in Ikea we found these lion ones, which I absolutely love. Again, they go with my room now if I wanted to have them, but obviously I'm going to save them. They're the same, if I can show you. It can just kind of be a standout piece on the sofa with some plain light grey ones, because we're going for a dark grey sofa, corner sofa. So these ones I think will look really nice. And our coffee table, if we do end up getting it, is going to be white. So it's got white in here, so it's going to match really, really nice. And yeah, these were £10 each from Ikea, and I absolutely love them. I just love lions and tigers. I think they're just a really cool design. So that's for the sofa. And the final 2 bits from Ikea are 2 more boring-ish things, but that's the whole reason of this haul. If you're into homeware and you want to know where to get things, then this is the video for you, because it's kind of giving you ideas. So yeah, we got a pizza cutter, which was just a cheap pizza cutter. I think it was like £1.50 or something. I'm hoping that it's going to be sharp, but yeah. Pizza cutter, we're not going to obviously be eating pizza a lot, so that's why we just got a cheap one. It's only there if we need it. You can use scissors obviously for cutting pizzas, but I just find that pizza cutters are obviously a lot easier. And yeah, I think it was like £1.50, which is a bargain. And if you want another code for Ikea, it's 002 33250 if you want to search that one. Okay, so the final thing of the haul is this grater from Ikea. Now, we thought this was quite handy because it's not just a grater, it's actually got a bit inside here where when you grate like your cheese or whatever you're grating, you can pull it out, and it's obviously like in its own little container. So it looks like this, if you can see the picture. So it's got like the cheese in there, so you grate it into that and you can just pull it out and obviously pour it into a bowl if you're serving it. So I just thought it was really handy. It stands up, so it's on a stand. If you don't want to do it into the container, I'm assuming you just pull it out and do it over a bowl or whichever. But yeah, it's got the two sides. It's got the thinner side and the thicker side. And I just thought it was a fab idea. This was £7 if I remember correctly. And it's called the Vardiful Grater. And the code is 401-52157. And it's just there. It might seem expensive for a grater for £7, but it's a very sturdy one, and it's got that little extra feature of the cheese grating into there. So yeah, we thought that was handy, and for hosting and things like that, it'll come in very useful. So that is everything in my little homeware haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. Remember, this is only part 1, so if you want to see a part 2, a part 3, a part 4, then please subscribe, like the video, give me some comments below on what videos you would like to see. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!